Hi there, can you tell me who you are?
Yes, hi, my name is Kayla Harden. I am a pharmacy tech and I live in Philadelphia.
Oh, that's great, Kayla. And today you're at B&B Automotive on Route 1.
Yes, I am.
In Fairless Hills.
Yes.
Yeah. And you've got a special little companion here with you today.
Yeah, my daughter. Her name's Pri.
Hi,
She's over there eating Cheetos.
She's having a good time.
Yes, she is.
Yeah. And you're here today on a good day. We're doing Eagles giveaway ticket.
Yes.
Not giveaway, but a drawing ticket.
Yeah, I signed up.
Did you
so
sign
hopefully
up?
I win.
All right,
so hopefully
great.
I win.
That's fantastic. And you also just happened to buy a car here.
Yes, I did. I got a Chevy Malibu.
Let's take a look, all right?
2009, white. I love it. Exactly what I wanted, actually.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yes, I love it.
That's a nice looking car.
Yes.
Very nice.
I'm so happy.
That's great. That's great. Now, have you ever purchased a car with us before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay.
I'm going to recommend my boyfriend to come here too.
Oh, that's great.
He'll love it. He want to get a Charger, and they have that here. So.
Oh, I think is that a Charger over there?
Yeah.
Wow. We just happen to have one.
Yeah, so he'll be up here soon too.
Tell him to hurry up.
He'll be up here soon.
Last long. Yeah.
He'll be
up
here
that's
soon.
Great. Now you said you're a pharmacy technician?
Yes.
Okay, great. What does that involve?
Medications to get the pharmacist ready for. It's a lot of things that go into it. So I work for a small company right now. So I plan on moving to like a hospital and do it in a hospital.
That's right. They certainly need them there, right?
Yeah, they do.
That's great. All right. Well, we're starting to hear from somebody there.
Yeah, she's over there.
You did say, I think, that you're from Philadelphia.
Yes, I'm from Philadelphia.
Did you spend your whole life there in Philadelphia?
Yes, in North Philadelphia.
And where did you go to school? High school?
Kensington Kappa.
Okay, very good. And have you done any community college work or anything like that?
Yes, I went to school for pharmacy technician, and I went to community college too. So.
Okay, very good. And you said this is your second car.
Yes, this is my second car. My first car was a Pontiac Torrent, and I sold that 2 months ago. So I needed a new car. With kids and stuff like that, you need cars.
And how were you treated here today?
Perfect. I love it so much. Everything inside of here is perfect. They had great festivities. The inside is beautiful. Everybody treats you great.
I
love it here.
You typically think of
no, it's not. But it's
and the cars are really good.
Yes, they're very good.
Yeah,
I recommend this to everyone.
Oh, that's great. Well, bring your boyfriend back.
I will.
Bring him back after you win, and you're coming up for your tickets for the Eagles game. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. We'll see you.